Hi guys, welcome to another video of Incorporated Fitness, and today intense cardio. So people have started already with the bunny hops. So that's the first exercise. So 10 rounds of bunny hops up and down. It's almost 20 feet long. So that's what we're doing. Yes, go, 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 go. Hi guys. So the next workout is long jumps. Again, so they are already started. I think you saw the bunny hops. They did 10 rounds. Now they are into joining the long jumps. Now the long jumps, once you jump, keep your legs wide, jump. Wherever you stop, engage your core and hold it back. So it's a core exercise other than being a cardio as well. So you have to stop where you jump and engage your core. Land with your feet full. Yes, good. Hey guys, so single leg hops. So all of the plyometric exercise is really, cardio enduring. So you will see that this got a lot of ankle stability, knee stability, hip stability. So people with stability issues, you can start with this. You would have done it in your childhood, but now it's a different scene. The next workout of the plyometric session is in-outs jumps. So you jump in, then jump wide, then jump short, wide. So that's how it's going. So if you watch your legs, you can see that. So the adductors and abductors, what we did the previous video, we are doing that, just the plyometric version of that. Hey guys, so we're back into the animal from the plyometrics workout. So what you're seeing is the gorilla walk. So you'll have to engage your core. Once you land your hand and then shift your leg up with the air and bring it down really slow. So if you watch Dr. doing it, you'll understand how it's done. So bring your hands away from your leg, then lift your toe, drop it slowly, drop your leg slowly. Yes. Come on, lift your butt, lift your butt, lift your butt, lift your butt. Keep your legs up. Alright guys, next of the animal workout is the frog. So the frog is an enduring exercise for your hips, hip joints, and again your legs. Completely burns your legs. So jump as far as possible, squatting and move on. So that's how it is. So, hi guys, so the next exercise, we moved from an animal to an insect now. So everybody's become a worm. So inchworm. The next exercise, so people are going into standing up, going into a plank, walking through their hands, then walking up their legs, and then again getting back into the plank position. The inchworm workout is an excellent core inseminator. So it really burns a lot of fat and really one of the wonderful exercises. Very cool. Hi guys, so the next exercise is duck walk, the military duck walk, the version of the army duck walk, carrying the gun over the head, squatting down and shifting your hips, opening up your hip flexors, adductors, your glutes, your legs. It just burns. It just burns. And one of the pretty enduring exercise